Hello, my dear students. This is an important topic. Okay, so you can see this biogases at various plants, various places in our industries, in the sense in our community, like that. Okay, so now we are seeing what it is. Okay, so kitchen waste, whether you can use it, so how it is, we will be seeing. So you can see that it's an actually structure inside which what is biogas. Biogas means it is mainly comprised of hydrocarbon which is combustible and it can produce heat and energy when it is burnt. Okay, it's how this biogas is produced means it is by the means of some biochemical process in which certain type of bacteria convert the biological waste into useful biogas. Again I am saying the bacteria convert the biological waste into some useful biogas. Okay, so the process is actually anaerobic in nature and it takes place in two stages. Okay, so it's actually the biogas plant is an airtight container that facilitates the fermentation of material under anaerobic conditions. Okay, so what are the gases which is formed? Methane and also CO2. The material which is used in biogas plant, we call it as biomass. Okay, so it can be animal dung, it can be poultry waste, it can be plant waste, human excreta, industrial waste and also domestic water. So now what happens actually, we have raw materials. Cattle dung has been normally used as a chief raw material. So why we are going this for this biogas production? This is actually an eco-friendly fuel. Okay, and again what happens here is this, you can see the methane is a major proportionate of 55 to 70, carbon dioxide is 35 to 40, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen and also oxygen we are having. Okay, so what happens here is it's an eco-friendly one and the raw materials are being available in villages. It's readily available. Okay, it's giving a nutrient rich slurry which can be used for crop production. That's very, very important, and it is preventing the health hazards of poor or smoke. Okay, so our environment is very clean. So what are the main parameters that has to be considered? Number one is your temperature. So the methane temperature, how it has to be maintained is that whether the bacteria is being cultivated. So the gas production decreases sharply below 20 degrees and at 10 degrees centigrade you cannot generate any methane. Okay, solid to moisture ratio, that if water content is very high means the gas production will be stopping. Okay, because temperature becoming low and it will be difficult. If the water content is too low, what happens? The acids will be accumulated and the fermentation process cannot be completed. So that we have to consider. And next one is pH should be 6.5 to 7.5. And next one is carbon to nitrogen ratio. It should be 30:1 for maximum microbial activity. And the total solid content, whether the solid content it should be 18 to 20 degrees centigrade. So what will be this one? Mixing or stirring is very much essential. You have to provide a uniform feeding. The toxicity you have to check. The acid accumulation, everything you have to check. So this can be a continuous or batch type. Okay, the biomass will be fed regularly and everything else. It can be single stage and also two stage combustion process. Two stages, the entire process are carried out in a single chamber. There will be no variant. Okay, so before that I'll be saying what are the main components. I'll just explain. First you'll have a mixing tank. Mixing tank in the sense the feed material will be collected in the mixing tank. Okay, sufficient water will be added and a homogeneous slurry will be formed in the mixing tank. If you take it as an inlet pipe, so the substrate is being discharged. Digester means the slurry is fermented and the biogas is produced. That is, we call it as a fermentation. Okay, if it is everything is done in the same plant, we do this called as a single stage continuous process. It has two chambers of digestion. Okay, the first chamber, the biomass is fed in stage 1 of acid formation. It will be the concentration will be very low. It will be diluted acid, and then we are going for the stage 2 of methane fermentation. So the biogas will be produced from the second chamber. Okay, you can see this gas holder. I explain with another diagram. The plant consists of a digester made of masonry in the construction of a well below the ground level. Okay, the feeding is being done and the sludge comes out within the partition wall. You can see the inlet pipe will have a partition inlet and the gas pipe you can have the mixing pit. Okay, and this is the digester and everything else you can see. Again, it is being explained. So gas production, here you are having two stages. Number one is acid one, and second one is the methane production. So the digester depth, how it is 3.5 to 6.5 meter depth, and diameter is 1.2 to 1.6. Dung water is 4 is to 5. Okay. Floating drum can be, mainly nowadays we are using this for collection of gas and everything else. Okay. So normally when you take it as for the community, or this Janada type biogas plant is being mainly utilized in villages and all. Okay, the digester will be cylindrical in shape and will be constructed with bricks and cement. So government also have constructed this one. Okay, the municipal waste and plant, this can be constructed for the for the community. Okay, the diameter ratio height will be 1.752:1. Okay. What are the beneficiaries? It is beneficiary to a village's community based biogas plant will be, environment will be clean. Okay, so the village will be very clean, hygiene. So village cooperatively they will be giving, the community will be earning certain revenue, and the health, time, money, everything will be good. Okay, thank you.